Namaste one and all. In this relaxed, comfortable, serene environment, today I will teach you a wonderful relaxation technique which has been used by most of the psychologists and psychiatrists worldwide. Along with Yoga Nidra, you will also learn some of these special psychotherapy techniques. The name of the technique is called as JPMR, Jacobson's Progressive Muscular Relaxation Technique. Jacobson was a Canadian physician, Canadian doctor who was very much interested in yoga. Out of his interest towards yoga, he used the technology of contraction of muscles and relaxation of muscles as a biorhythm to work on different parts of the body in a view to create a biorhythm of relaxation response. What it means, when you are focusing on certain group of muscles, you are putting your awareness onto those group of muscles and you are tightening for few seconds followed by relaxing for few seconds. You are actually creating a sense of a habit in your body muscles to contract followed by relax. For this contract followed by relax, when you are doing progressively one muscles after another muscles, your body will get used to it and it will become totally relaxed throughout the body. So if neck muscles are paining, headache is happening, your blood pressure is high, you are having somatic symptoms, you are having anxiety, depression or any other symptoms, the biorhythm of the body will change towards the relaxation response. So this is a beautiful relaxation response which we are going to do it now practically and then we discuss later. There are many research articles on this JPMR. It's also called as PMR, Progressive Muscular Relaxation Technique, or also called as Neuromuscular Relaxation Technique. We have to only remember two things while doing these techniques. No prior knowledge of yoga or any other relaxation technique is needed. Mentally, you are focusing on the contraction of certain group of muscles for 5 seconds, holding the contraction for 5 seconds, followed by relaxation of the same group of muscles for 5 seconds. So you do that, put your awareness on that area and then go to the next group of muscles. So one group followed by the next group and the next group. So it is called as progressive muscular, muscles are there involved. Relaxation, it will induce the relaxation. Come on friends, we'll do it now. I want you to lie down in a comfortable lying down posture. You can also choose to sit on the chair if you are comfortable. Shavasana. Both hands by the side of your body, palms facing upwards. Try to adjust your body in a relaxed outlook. You feel relaxed. So there are 13 parts of the body which we use for progressive muscular relaxation technique. So we start with the forearm muscles and then we go up to the arms, then we go up to the trapezius muscles, then we go up to the eyebrows and the frontalis muscles, then we go to the eyes, then we go to the jaw, then we go to the lips, then we go to the tongue, then we go to the neck muscles, then we go to the chest, then we go to the abdomen, then we go to the hip till the knee, then we go at last from the knee to the tip of the toes. So these are the sequence. You don't need to remember, just be relaxed, casual, just follow the simple instructions. 5 seconds contraction, 5 seconds relaxation. Take a deep breath in, a relaxed breathe out. Simple breathe in and relaxed breathe out. Be aware of your pattern of breathing and get ready mentally for JPMR, Jacobson's Progressive Muscular Relaxation Technique. Both feet together, both hands by the side of your thighs. Make a fist of your hand, contract your forearm muscles as tight as you can and hold it in contraction for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly and gently relax. Be aware of the sensation of contraction followed by the relaxation. Be aware of this duality of contraction and relaxation. Then we go to the biceps and triceps. How to do? You can fold the biceps and triceps and tighten as strong as you can and hold it tight for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Very slowly relax and bring it back towards the side of your body. And be aware of the relaxation response in your arms, deltoid, triceps, biceps. Very slowly go to the next. Raise your shoulders, bring it towards the ears. You are contracting the trapezius muscles. Hold it tight for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Very slowly relax. Feel the relaxation around your trapezius, your deltoid, interscapularis, other superficial and deep muscles of your neck. The wave of relaxation is passing from the neck towards the forehead. So raise your eyebrows up as if you are looking up. Keep your eyebrows up for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Relax. Relax your forehead muscles. Very slowly and gently. You are shifting your awareness from the sounds outside towards your eyeballs. So when I touch, I only touch my eyeballs to demonstrate to you. So you focus on your eyeballs, squeeze your eyeballs as tight as you can and hold it like that for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Very slowly relax. Feel the relaxation around your eyeballs. Very slowly and gently shift your awareness towards your jaw, temporomandibular joint. You're going to open your mouth as wide as you can in the form of ah. From here, hold for 5 seconds. Slowly relax. Your body is setting into deep awareness of relaxation. Very slowly and gently shift your awareness towards your lips, that is orbicularis oculi muscles. Make your mouth in the form of O and hold it for 5 seconds. Relax. Feel the relaxation around your mouth muscles. Very slowly and gently Shift your awareness towards your tongue. Roll your tongue upwards within your mouth cavity and hold it tight for 5 seconds. Slowly release the tongue within the mouth cavity and relax the tongue. Very slowly, the relaxation response is setting in. Shift your awareness towards your neck muscles. Pull your neck muscles, that is platysma muscle, like this. Hold it tight for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax. If you are not able to do this, you can simply extend your neck and hold for 5 seconds. That also can be done. Very slowly, shift your awareness towards your thoracic cage, the chest area. You take deep breath in and hold your breath for 5 seconds. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Very slowly and gently shift your awareness towards your abdomen. Keep your both hands onto your abdomen. Hold your abdomen as tight as you can. That's the rectus muscles. Hold it tight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release and relax. Bring your hands back to the original position. Very slowly and gently shift your awareness towards your hips and the thighs. Contract your thigh muscles and squeeze your buttocks. So tighten your quadriceps, squeeze your buttocks and hold it tight like that for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax. Feel the wave of relaxation in your quadriceps, thigh muscles, and the buttocks. Very slowly and gently coming to the last part of the relaxation is below knee till the tip of the toes. Point your toes downwards. Tighten your calf muscles as tight as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. You're relaxed your body from the tip of your toes to the head. Now, putting the awareness back into your toes, feel at the back of your mind that my toes are relaxed. Extend that wave of deep relaxation above. My ankles are relaxed. My calf muscles, my kneecap are relaxed. My thighs, my buttocks are relaxed. My abdominal muscles are relaxed. My back muscles are relaxed. My chest muscles, my upper back muscles are relaxed. All my internal organs are getting better blood supply because we are experiencing the parasympathetic dominance, that is deep relaxation or the relaxation response. Very slowly and gently feel your shoulders are relaxed. Your arms are relaxed. Your forearm, your wrist, your hand muscles are relaxed. Your chest muscles, your neck muscles are relaxed. Your forehead muscles, your facial muscles, the entire muscles of your face, which is helping you to give the expression of the face, the emotions, happy, unhappy, all those facial muscles, all the muscles are relaxed. You feel so relaxed that your body starts working on parasympathetic nervous system. The relaxation response will set in and it will ease you to relax further. At this phase of deep relaxation, where you are opening the window between conscious mind and subconscious mind, at this point in time, if you can put a sankalpa or an auto-suggestion or a wish or the seed of thought deep down into the subconscious mind that my body is getting repaired, I'm recovering from whatever disease or tensions, worries you are suffering from, either physical or the psychological, you are affirming your mind, you are reassuring your mind that you are definitely deeply relaxed. This relaxation technique, let it be a coping skill for you to face the world of modern world with sympathetic overactivity and multitasking. Let this technique of JPMR be the coping skill or the relaxation skill for one and all. With this awareness, people who want to relax from this and beyond can do that. People who want to come back to the alert phase of life, alert phase of reality, and alert phase of awareness can gently move their toes and fingers a bit. As in yoga, you can adopt the same structure. Very gently and slowly turn towards one side of your body. Relax in the left lateral position or right lateral position, taking support of both the palms. Very slowly, maintaining the awareness of relaxation without opening your eyes, come to sitting posture. Being aware of your surrounding, adjust yourself, come back to a complete alert phase. You're becoming more and more alert at the back of your closed eyes. You're breathing in deeply and breathing out. Very slowly and gently, you're opening your eyes to the new world of relaxed awareness. Thank you, one and all. Om.